Hey, good day Internet, literature and competitive examination. Today, I am here to provide information about benefits of choosing English literature and how to approach it for the preparation of UPSC. Do you wonder how both are related? Let me explain. For more informational videos, please do like, share and subscribe. There are two optional papers in the UPSC exam pattern. Both the papers are for a total of 250 marks, taking the total optional marks up to 500. Paper 1 is about start of modernism from 1600 to 1700. Paper 2 is about postmodernism from 1900 to 1990. Both the papers are divided into Part A and B. Part A deals with drama and poetry, while Part B deals with prose in both the papers. As English literature is a wonderful subject, if you love English and have taken it out or thinking of taking it with a genuine interest, you will find the preparation journey a smooth and enjoyable affair. English literature will provide a great respite from the strenuous general studies preparation. English literature is all about reading and understanding the nuance of stories written by authors, playwrights, and poets. The competition you will encounter here is far less, and you will only have to write better than your competition to get a good score. In this subject, there is no limit to how well you can write. These optional subjects will help you in the essay paper as well. English literature will help to improve your analytical skills. 6 months are sufficient to prepare for this optional subject with college, and the syllabus is very specific and defined. The syllabus in short includes 14 novels, 5 plays, 60 poems. Most of them are small poems. The basic understanding of history of English literature is yet another area. Don't make UPSC a dream which comes in your sleep, but a dream which won't let you sleep. Thanks for watching the video, and all the best for all those who are preparing for competitive examinations.